Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it, so for example this one. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. And let me quickly remove the photo so you can see how it will look like after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on add a photo or the circle, and now you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Let's find the photo we'd like to use. And here in this step we can change the size of this highlighted square, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we'll see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on done in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so if you're happy with your choice, just tap on save, again in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like right now. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.